going to learn about the 5 vowels. Say hi to 5 vowels. Hi! The vowel A, the vowel E, the vowel I, vowel O and vowel U. We are going to learn about their short and long sounds. Yes, you heard it right. Each one of them make 2 sounds. One is their short sound and the other one is their long sound. Each of them make 2 sounds. A makes 1 short sound and 1 long sound. E makes 1 short sound and 1 long sound. I makes 1 short sound and long sound. Again, for O and U, they both make 1 short sound and 1 long sound. And now we are going to learn about what are the sounds, what are their short sounds and what are their long sounds. The way we have symbols for addition and subtraction in mathematics, we also have symbols for long sound and short sound for the vowels. I'm going to tell you those symbols today. The vowels who make their short sound have a curve on their head like this. When you see a curve on the vowel's head, it means it is going to make the short sound. Like this. And when a vowel is making a long sound, then it will have a sleeping line on its head. Like this. Now I am going to tell you what are their short sounds and long sounds. Let us first look at the short sound of these vowels. So the vowel A says the short sound A, A. The vowel E says the short sound E, E. The vowel I says the short sound E, E. The vowel O says the short sound O, O. The vowel U says the short sound E. Now, let us look at the long sound of these vowels. The long sound of the vowel A is A. The vowels, when they say their long sound, they say their name. So when A says the long sound, it says A. The vowel E says its long sound, it says E. When the vowel I says its long sound, it says I. When the vowel O says its long sound, it says O. And the vowels U. When the vowel U says its long sound, it says U. Now let us do their short sound and long sound in the form of a rhyme. Yeah, are you excited? A vowel, what's your sound? A is my short sound, A is my long sound. A is my short sound, A is my long sound. E vowel, what's your sound? E is my short sound, E is my long sound. E is my short sound, E is my long sound. I vowel, what's your sound? E is my short sound, I is my long sound. E is my short sound, I is my long sound. O vowel, what's your sound? O is my short sound, O is my long sound. O is my short sound, O is my long sound. U vowel, what's your sound? Is my short sound, U is my long sound. Is my short sound, U is my long sound. So children, you also have to remember the symbols we have for short sound and long sound. When you see a curve on a vowel's head, it means it is going to say the short sound. A, E, O, And when you see a sleeping line on a vowel's head, it means it is going to say the long sound. A, E, I, O, U. All the vowels say their names when they say their long sound. Simple. I hope you had fun and you learned the short sound and long sound of all these 5 vowels.